Turned Up News. Title: Farewell to a Legend, Sinead O'Connor, the Irish Songbird, leaves a melodic legacy. TLDR. The music world mourns the loss of the iconic Irish singer, Sinead O'Connor, as she passes away at the age of 56. Tributes pour in from fans and fellow musicians, remembering her powerful voice and fearless spirit. Let's take a moment to celebrate her musical legacy and the impact she had on the industry. In a somber turn of events, the music community is grappling with the loss of a true legend, Sinead O'Connor. The Irish songstress, known for her hauntingly beautiful voice and unapologetic activism, has passed away at the age of 56. Sinead rose to fame in the late 80s with her debut album, The Lion and the Cobra, which showcased her remarkable vocal range and emotional depth. Her iconic bald head became a symbol of her boldness and defiance against societal norms, and she never shied away from using her platform to speak up about issues close to her heart. Throughout her career, Sinead's music touched the lives of millions and resonated with a diverse audience. Her soulful rendition of Nothing Compares to You became an anthem of heartache, stirring emotions in listeners worldwide. And who could forget her unforgettable SNL moment when she tore up a photo of Pope John Paul II in protest against child abuse within the Catholic Church? That act may have been controversial, but it sparked important discussions about institutional abuses. As tributes continue to pour in from fans and fellow musicians, it's evident that Sinead O'Connor's impact reached far beyond the confines of the music industry. Her fearlessness in confronting social issues and her unapologetic approach to her artistry inspired generations of artists to be authentic and use their voices for change. Yet, as we remember her with admiration, let's also ponder the question, what will be Sinead's lasting legacy? Will her musical messages of love, pain, and social justice continue to resonate with future generations? How can her influential journey inspire us to be unafraid of standing up for what we believe in and make a difference in our communities? The loss of such a phenomenal talent is undoubtedly a heartbreaking moment, but perhaps it also serves as a reminder for us to embrace our true selves, champion important causes, and leave a mark on the world just as Sinead did. As we say our farewells to this Irish songbird, we are left with both a heavy heart and a profound appreciation for the gift of music and the powerful impact it can have on our lives. So, let's honor her memory by carrying on her legacy, fearlessly and melodically. Question to ponder. How can Sinead O'Connor's fearless and authentic approach to her music and activism inspire us to make a difference in our own lives and communities? What messages from her iconic songs will continue to resonate with future generations, sparking discussions and driving positive change?